Right, Megan and Keegan, Chrissy Cheshire with Cheshire Abbey Rescue described the situation in Texas is absolutely devastating. So much so, she is headed to help again soon.
Hey guys, try to take at least 2 teams to 700 Linkwood Street. It is getting deep over there.
The rescue app was just every second there was another call. I mean, it was truly surreal.
Chrissy Cheshire with Cheshire Abbey Rescue in Jackson went to Texas with Occasion Navy 2016, a group from Louisiana, just days after Hurricane Harvey hit.
There's so much need in such a short period of time. Like, I mean, the need is urgent. Like, the look on their faces, I mean, it was like total devastation, but still like complete gratefulness that all these people were helping.
Chrissy says while she was there, she helped rescue hundreds of people and animals.
We were in the water, like pulling people off, like I mean, there were really at least 2 or 3 dogs or cats to every single boat that came in. It was amazing to see them bringing their dogs and cats too.
But Chrissy says many pets were separated from their owners or left behind to fend for themselves.
The animals need to get out of there just like the people do, and they can't help themselves.
Chrissy brought back these 2 little guys to Mississippi, a mama dog and her puppy, given up by their owners who lost their home and were no longer able to care for them. Now Cheshire Abbey is looking for loving families to adopt them. Now, those 2 dogs we just told you about, Chrissy says she's planning to go back soon and is hoping to bring a lot of supplies to help some of the smaller shelters with little to no funds. If you want to help, you can donate money to Cheshire Abbey Rescue specifically for Harvey, or you can bring donations to Luckney Animal Hospital, Canton Road Veterinarian Hospital, or Swellophonic in Fondren. She does recommend bringing blankets, towels, and kennels.